Hi. Yeah.
Hi. Hi, Brain. What are you doing? Who do I have? Can you believe it? Do you get some sanitizer for her?
Oh, yeah.
Come sit with me.
We're gonna get some magic soap. Come here.
Do you want to hold her?
Right here, Nick.
Right there. Brandon, what do you think?
Put your hand there. You get some? Right there and get
Brain,
Look at those.
what does your shirt say?
Big brother.
Who is that?
Who is that? Baby. Or can you say, you think you said that song?
It's right here.
What about all these things?
They're fine.
So be real careful, Mommy.
Hi. Oh, you. I was missing you so much today.
Look at her, honey. That's your new sister.
Who is it?
Ella.
Do you want to see her little face?
Let me try to bring it
Do you want to hold her?
I touched her.
You want to touch her little toes?
Look at her little feet.
Where are her little toes?
Look at her little
Toes.
Oh.
Thank you. Stop.
Baby soft. Are they tiny?
Still got purple toes.
Do you want to give her little toes a kiss?
No. You did it.
I can't reach them. You want to give her little forehead a kiss?
Here, let me see real quick. Oh, see if I
Hi,
can.
Miss Ella.
Is that her little hand?
It's tucked in, yeah.
Look
Here,
there.
let's see if we can sit you up. Look at you. Aw.
How sweet is she?
What do you think, Braid? Can you talk to her?
You rub her little cheek?
Tell her who you are.
You want to give her a little kiss on the cheek?
I'm Raven Ella.
You're her what?
I'm your big brother.
And she's your what?
You're my little sister.
So we have been waiting a long time to meet you,
Yes, we
haven't
have.
we?
Look at her little nose.
Tell her what you say to me.
I like it, you
Do it to her.
I like it, you
You want to give her a kiss on her cheek?
Aw.
That's so sweet.
That was really sweet.
Can you believe she's here, Braid?
What color eyes does he have?
They're dark. They
don't-
kind of look like yours.
We don't know yet, baby. They're still going to
Yeah.
change.
I want to touch a little too.
Their toes again.
Let's let Mommy hold her again.
I will touch the cheek. See if I
You must
can.
get that from your mommy, huh?
I mean, oh, careful.
Careful.
You want
What
it?
is that?
It's just
Hi, little too.
It's still helping Mommy.
Look at her little pink toe.
Hey, Braden, look at Nana. What do you think of your baby sister?
Are you excited? All right. Say bye.
You done through with your baby sister?